Hey there, Dan with InnerPC coming to you with a very exciting video on after you create an AVD or a resource within the Azure portal, what's happening is you cannot log into it after you subscribe to it. So what we want to do is we want to subscribe to the application here. You would click this button, subscribe, and then you have the email popping up right here, and you would enter the email information. So you correctly put the username and password in, and then you have your desktop icon right here. And what you're trying to do is click this and then log in. So it successfully goes to the desktop, but then when you put the password in to log into the desktop, there's an issue where it won't log in. It actually comes back to login attempt fail. This is what we're going to fix today. The first step is to log into the Azure portal, and then what you're going to do is log into the specific, or go to the virtual machine that is having the issue. So you go to virtual machines, you'll get to this window right here where it has overview, activity log, etc. And you're going to click on extensions and applications. And then this window will pop up. So you click extensions, applications, and then you're going to click AAD login for Windows. And over here on the right, you're going to click uninstall. That will uninstall. There will be a little window that says deleting virtual machine extension. And you can see that right here. Successfully updated user, and then now we're deleting that the extension for that particular. After that's been successfully deleted, then you're going to need to restart the virtual machine. Okay, the next step is a little tricky. What you need to do, when you created the Azure Virtual Desktop, it gave you the opportunity to log in as a local administrator. So what you'll need to do is create an RDP file where you can log into that server as a local user. Okay, so I am logging in right now as that local user, and the desktop is right here. Looks a little weird, but this is the one that we're having an issue with. Okay, so what you want to do when you're in there is you want to go to settings, and then you're going to go to system, then you're going to go to about, and then you're going to go to advanced systems, and you're going to go click on computer name, and you'll see how it says work group right here. We're going to change this, and what we really want to do is we want to have it attached to a domain. Now that domain will be the portal.office.com domain, i.e. you have like domain.microsoft.com where you create the Azure, where you create what's called the Azure plan. And that's the domain you want to use, the one that's associated with the onmicrosoft.com account. So you'll do that, then you click OK. It's going to ask for that local username again. And hopefully on a good day, it connects. We'll see in just a second. All right, I think we're in business here. So what you have to do is actually log in with the administrator global user with the domain that you're trying to connect to. You'll see this is absolutely working. The connection's been lost. It's connecting to reattempt. That means that it actually came out of the work group and now it's going into that domain, and then we should be able to log in. So here we are back at the subscription we're going to click on the desktop that you want to log into, and then we're going to put, you know, the password in that you need to, let's see here, log into the virtual desktop with, and you'll see that it's going to configure, it's remote, and we're logging in. So today's a good day. All right, thank you very much. And again, this is InnerPC. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.